Sometimes, when you get too comfortable and things are too smooth, the Almighty will shake you out of your comfort zone. Don't be alarmed. Read His signs. If you have a good attitude and bear patience, He will grant you something that's greater than you imagined. Whatever pain you're experiencing today will hold you in good stead tomorrow. The more you suffer today, the stronger you become. This life's not a rosy bed. Tomorrow's success is based on today's discomfort. Patience, a strong willpower and the right attitude will see you through. It's natural to feel tired and discouraged when life deals you a blow. We are generally weak and crumble with the slightest hardship. Always remember that you're not alone. The Almighty will give you strength and power to overcome your difficulties. Trust Him completely. Don't be insensitive towards the feelings of others. Learn to be empathetic and feel for them. Put yourself in their shoes. Try at least. Sometimes it's not what you do or say that is inconsiderate, it is the lack of it that hurts. Reach out to people. Listen more. Don't judge. Almighty, protect us from those who are trying to harm us and have bad intentions towards us. Keep our hearts from fear and fill it with love and goodness. You are indeed our refuge and strength. Surround us with those who will empower us. May you always be our guide and watch over us. It takes more than willpower to stop worrying. You know that because you've tried it. Yet you can't seem to stop worrying. People who don't know the Almighty and how He works tend to worry more. Hand over what you can't control to Him and let Him take over. Lighten your load. It's a fact that your strength will offend some people. These are the ones who want to control and manipulate you and keep you bound. Don't worry about them. They have no power over you. Only the Almighty does. Trust Him to take care of those who really need help. Remain steadfast. Social media can ruin your marriage. Put together your smart gadgets and social media and you have a volatile combination that can dominate your marriage and control your life. Communication with your spouse should take priority. Don't let anyone else, let alone your gadgets, intervene. Choose peace over conflict. It's a better way to go. Choose silence or choose to walk away from those who are always looking for a battle about someone or something. You can't win even when it's not about you. So don't bother getting drawn into situations that will drain you. Getting close to the Almighty is not something that will happen overnight. It's hard work. Set daily goals. Push yourself but be realistic. Pray. Do all that He's prescribed for you. Do your best. He knows you're trying. But you have to make an effort. Keep going.